I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Update Chrome OS and turn on the Google Play Store so Android apps can run. Once done, make sure you know your Microsoft account email and password and have two-factor ready because Outlook will ask. If your device lacks Play Store, prepare to use the Outlook web app as a progressive web app instead. Don't waste time on unrelated setup. Complete updates and account prep now so installation proceeds without permission or sync interruptions. Open Play Store and install Microsoft Outlook or load Outlook. Office. COM and install the site as an app, PWA from Chrome's menu. When you sign in, grant calendar, contacts, and storage permissions so mail, events, and attachments sync correctly. Next, choose sync settings, mail days to sync, notifications, and focused inbox. If you have multiple accounts, add them now to Unify Mail. This step ensures messages, calendar entries, and files appear consistently across apps and offline use. Finish by pinning Outlook or the PWA to the shelf and enabling offline mode if you need access without internet. Make sure notification rules and sync frequency match your battery and data preferences so the app behaves predictably. If installation fails, check that Android apps are enabled in Settings, clear the Play Store cache, or switch to the Outlook web app and install it as a PWA. That fallback usually solves permission or compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.